Forming good habits is necessary for all areas of your life, from health and fitness to family and career goals. In this video we will briefly discuss why good habits are great to have, and how you can go about forming them. Personal habits. Can you identify any good habits you already have? Do you exercise regularly? Do you organize your finances and pay your bills on time? While these things may seem small, they are good habits to have, because they help you keep your life organized. When you perform tasks without thinking, they have become a habit. However, if certain tasks seem like a daily effort, that's because it has not yet become habitual. The good news is that it only takes 21 days for something to become a habit. The hardest part is getting through the first weeks. There are plenty of areas in your life that could benefit from forming good habits. Examples of these would include exercising regularly, making time to spend with your family, having a date night with your spouse, and scheduling out your work week. Many of these things can be easily planned and arranged by using a calendar. In this way, planning will become a new habit. In turn, all areas of your life will improve. You will find that you have more time to spend with your family, and that you actually do have some free time. Business habits. When it comes to the career side of your life, things like remembering to check your email, checking for customer support tickets, and creating a to-do list all fall into the good habit category. You must open and read your business emails to stay on top of your work schedule. If you don't respond to customer service issues, for example, you will lose customers. Creating your to-do list is one of the best business-related habits you can form. Your to-do list can be categorized in different ways, such as by the due date, by the importance of the job, or by the amount of time needed to complete the different task. Once you have your to-do list in place, then you can be more productive. Each morning your list is waiting and you just pick up from where you left off the day before. Why not list the habits you currently have and then create a list of ones you would like to form? Pick one and start working on it. Forming good habits is the key to success in every area of your life. Plus, it will give you a sense of accomplishment because your life is organized, and you are less stressed when things are in order. Hope you liked the video, and if you feel worth watching, then make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.